Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable or disable sensitive content on Instagram. For example, if you do not want to see any kind of sensitive content, then how you can enable or disable it on Instagram. So for this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and before this you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. For this you have to simply go to App Store, and in App Store you have to simply search for the Instagram app. And after searching the Instagram app, you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to open the Instagram app again, and here you have to simply click on profile, and here you have to simply click on three lines here. After clicking on three lines, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of content preferences. So here you can simply find that. So here you can simply find all of your content preferences, like interested, not interested. You can simply click on interested, and you can simply add any kind of content you are interested in. And you can also select the not interested, and you can also select the specific words or phrases. Now if you want to turn on or turn off sensitive content, then you here is the option. If you want to see less sensitive content, then you can simply click on less, and you can also select the standard. This affects search result as well as the recommended content in the explore reels fields and hashtags. This also affects comment that you see on the other people's post. So in this way you can also check sensitive content standard. So in this way you can simply select how much sensitive content you want to see on your Instagram post. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.